Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to calculate best value for your Aeroplan points using a simple ChatGPT AI. So let's start. Usually the people calculate it, by the formula. So let's see what's the formula. So we can go to ChatGPT if you can see here, and we can just write in formula to get best value of Aeroplan points and hit enter. Now it will show me the best value. So as you can see, it has given me the whole formula to get the cents per point, and we can compare everything here. Now I know if you're not familiar with the maths or you don't want to do these calculations, I have a better trick for you. So let's go and see what's the better trick, okay? Now I will just go back to the chat GPT. I will just open another tab. So I will be here on the chat GPT. You can also Google it if you don't know. You can just write in chat GPT in the Google and just you can click on the first link, try chat GPT, and that's it. That's how you can open it. Now let's go here. I have logged into my Air Canada and I have 46,000 points around. Now I will be booking the ticket. So I will click on the book with Aeroplan points here. Suppose I am departing from YYZ, which is Toronto Airport, to going to maybe California, let's say, and Los Angeles. I will select the departure date as 26th and then return to 29th and select and click on search. Let it load the flights for me, and then I will show you how you can see them. Now you can see here the flights. You can select whatever you want. Let's for this I am selecting this one, and to come back I am selecting this flight. It's just a reference, it's just a standard. You can select whatever you want and then you can go from there. Okay, so here you can see now it gives me few options what I have to choose. Now this is the trick. Take a picture or a screenshot of this screen of this. I will do that. So I have taken a picture of this and let's save it in a computer on a desktop. So suppose, Aeroplan. Okay, so it's done. Now go to chat GPT again. Click on this icon, attach file, upload from computer. This is our picture Aeroplan. Click on that. Type in what is the best value for points out of these options and hit enter, and that's it. It will show you each option and it will show you the best value. You can see it got my picture, 13,000, 17,400, 21,900 and 37,664, and it will show me each option point value, and according to that, with all the analysis, it will give me the best value for points, which is 0.00719, which is the third option, which is this. Also there is another command you can do. If you don't want to use that much points and you want to only go for maximum dollars, you can type in what's the best option for minimum dollar amount and hit enter, and it will show you the minimum dollar amount. I can take the fourth option, which will cost me minimum dollars, and as you can see in the picture here, so that's it. The fourth option will give me the minimum, balance. Also you can mold it accordingly what exactly you want. What is the, like, suppose if some people want to use both points and cash, so what is the best mixture for both points and cash, let's say, hit enter. So it will give you the whole analysis. What will be the best option? So according to that, the option 2 best seems to be best. It uses your little bit points and little bit of cash, so you have leftover points and you can do whatever you want. And from these analysis, without asking from anyone what will be the best option, I have seen people in the Facebook groups of Aeroplan asking what will be the best option for the flight and everything. Even without asking them, you can go for whatever option you want to go with this tool. And it's so much simpler, it saves so much time, and it's good for the people who don't want to do the calculations. It's the smart world of AI we are living in. So I hope you like this video and my way of finding the best way to get the maximum value for your Aeroplan points according to you. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.